Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw the mandala art. For creating this artwork you need black pens, protector, compass, ruler and eraser and then a paper. I divided the half circle into 18 parts. Now I have started sketching the inner circle of the mandala art. Mandala means circle. The key is to take it slowly, drawing one shape at a time and going around the whole circle, drawing that one shape in a right place. You may experience a deep sense of calm and well-being if you often practice mandala. Hope you all like the video. Thank you for watching.